Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing something kind of fun. I am making some Pokemon themed cupcakes, which Pokemon is not really something that I know a lot about. I'm starting off with an easy one. So what you'll need to make the ball is you will need some red buttercream, white buttercream, and black buttercream. And then for this little circle part, I used a white candy melt. So just like one of these guys, just because it's white chocolate adds another little taste to the cupcake. But if you don't want to use a white candy melt, you could just use another dollop of your white buttercream. And then I used a offset spatula to smooth out the white and the red. And then for the black, I used a circle tip just to help make the line look a little nicer. And yeah, I did red for the cupcake liners, but you could also do white or black would look good, but I think it looks nice with the red. And yeah, these are really easy. You don't need any specific piping skills in order to make these. Having one of these does make it a little easier to get it smooth, but a knife could work just as good. You might just have to have a little bit more patience. So keep watching and I will show you how I made these. Okay, I'm gonna take my cupcake and I'm going to put 1/2 with white and 1/2 with red buttercream. And I'm just gonna work to get it nice and smooth. Okay, like that. Obviously I went a little over the edge, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna do red buttercream on the other side. Okay, so it looks like this. And then I'm going to get black buttercream. So I just have my black buttercream with like an open circle at the end. And I'm just going to do a straight line across to start with. And then I'm gonna do a big circle in the middle, and then I'm gonna pop a white candy melt in the center of the circle. I think I'm gonna put it upside down so that like the flat part is on top. Like that. So it's just a straight across line, and then I'm going to do a circle in the middle. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Next week's video is going to be a Pikachu cupcake, so you can check out that one if you are looking to make some Pikachu cupcakes. Thanks for watching.